Press the bell icon and never miss another update from the Foodie Nation.
It's always been a dream, to open a restaurant and to serve people, because I know what it feels like when I go outside and eat at any restaurant or any fast food chain. So the entire point of our kitchen is that we serve what people want. So we have guests, who come up with their own dishes, and we try to, in fact, we make sure that we create that dish for them. The unique thing about our restaurant, in fact, if you can say the reason why we are different from others, is that I know what it feels like, to go outside to any restaurant and when there's, something I've ordered and I don't get that. So we make sure, because as a chef, I want to make sure that my guests, what they feel, what they want, I deliver that to them. So it's a different story out here. We make sure that our guests, what they want, we give them that. And Smith's Kitchen is a place where flavors come to life, and we make sure that happens. If they have any dish in their head, they create anything, and we make sure that we create that